Yes, Path of Love can support anyone into those deepest fears of living life. It can be fear of being sick, getting sick, fear of scarcity, fear of being alone, left out, not never getting a relationship that you aim for. I know so many people that would love to be in a very truthful relationship that could rely on someone, that could have a sense of trust, that could create a story together. And as well, people that are dealing with unhealthiness right now. And this process comes to include all the aspects of life in a very intelligent way, because it enhances our own intelligence to look at things. So it's a platform where you can feel so safe and so loved and so accepted that all of a sudden the nervous system starts to relax and relax, and you start to really dive deep inside into those most intimate spaces in this very friendly way. And in that way, things that are not you starts to lose its forces. And you started to gather your intelligence to see where your capacities are available to you, to change your way of relating, to change your way of taking your work every day, to change your way of parenting. I have experience in that. It's not something that comes and do a magic and then all of a sudden you are, life is completely out of any friction and challenge. It's not about that, but it's about how you take them on, how you face the monsters that we actually are facing every day in this lifetime, especially now in the world. So it's gonna happen, Path of Love, in the 4th to 11th of September in USA. And if you feel the attraction to this process, if you feel that is the right time for you, I highly recommend to come and join us.